Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to restore purchases on Toca Life World. Alright, let's begin. First of all, you have to ensure that the account that is currently logged into Google Play Store is actually the account that you use to play Toca Life. So make sure that you're logged in into the correct account first. Once you've logged in and installed Toca Life via that account, we are now ready to register our purchases. So what we need to do is we need to tap on the basket icon. Now we need to scroll down a bit until we get to the very bottom. At the very bottom, you should be able to see a Restore Purchases button at the bottom section. Now what you need to do is tap on it and you'll be able to restore your purchases on Toca Life. Since I don't have any purchases, that is why there is an error. But in your case, you will be able to do it. So that's basically how you can restore purchases on Toca Life World. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.